Welcome back, foodies. Get ready for the best tasting tzatziki you're ever going to make. You're going to want to use strained yogurt, not just plain yogurt, only Greek yogurt. The reason for this is regular yogurt just does not work. It comes out runny, soupy, and just gross. You can make your own strained yogurt pretty easy just by straining some Balkan-style yogurt. You're going to use yogurt with a fat content of at least 6%. This will help give that creamy texture that tzatziki is known to have. So to make Greek yogurt from Balkan-style yogurt, you're going to need to get that extra whey out. Place the strainer over a bowl and line it with some cheesecloth. Pour your yogurt right in. I'm going to use my own homemade yogurt for this. Once your yogurt is covered, place in the fridge overnight. I would wait at least 24 hours, but 8 to 10 will work fine. The thicker, the better. So mine is already ready. Magic. So take yours out of the fridge. It'll be a lot thicker as the whey has drained off. So let's move on to making the tzatziki. First, you're going to want to peel a few sides of the cucumber to help remove some of that tough skin. Now take a large size grater and grate that cucumber. Add it to a bowl, add a pinch of salt. This is going to help extract all those cucumber juices, which will make the tzatziki watery. And we don't want that after we spend all that time trying to remove all that whey from the yogurt. Place aside while we prepare the rest. Place your yogurt into a bowl. Add 2 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of dried dill weed. Now let's go back to the cucumber. It should now be sitting in the bowl of its own juices. Your goal is to separate the cucumber from the juice. So take the grated cucumber in your hands and squeeze as much as you can to get the juices out. Once you squeeze all those juices out, add it to your mixture. Season with salt and pepper. Take a rubber spatula and mix all the ingredients together. And there you have it. Tzatziki, one of my favorite condiments. And you won't feel guilty for putting a lot of this on your sandwich. Let's give it a little taste. That's some good tzatziki. Enjoy, guys. Foodie out. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. It helps me to create great recipes for you guys. And I'll see you in the next video.